Hello guys, we are here in Argentina, Mendoza, in the mountains once again, and today we're just going around different places and watching the views. Check out that view right there. I told you, you can't take all the rocks. You could take only maybe 4 or 5 rocks.
Why?
Because it's a lot. There's a lot of rocks. So what they tend to do here is they come and make fire pits. They do asados here in Argentina. It's really big. You see a wine bottle there. People just come here like almost like camping. Issue with the tilt, with the camera tilt down. Sideways works, but the tilt down is the one that's not working. Hopefully the scenes weren't too shaky there. Luckily I know a guy here. He actually took courses in drones. We spoke the other day, needed his name, and we're probably gonna give him a call later and so he could try to fix the drone. Hello guys, how you guys doing? Abby, where's your coat? Oh no, it's cold, Abby. Go get your coat. Go get your coat. Yeah, you have to. You gotta go get your coat. Go. Scared of what? Oh, the dog. She's scared of the dog. Yeah, there's a lot. You know what's funny here? There's a lot of dogs that are dogs, by the way, not dogs. Dogs that are out here, but they all have owners. Actually, they just escaped their houses, and the owners like let them go, and they're like, oh, you know what's so funny that happened right in that corner right there, in that corner. I kid you not. We went to the store. There's like a store over there, and there was this dog. And he stole like a bag from the store. I'm not kidding, he had a bag. He stole the bag. I think there was like bread inside. And he like went inside, he stole the bag. And he was like eating it on the other side. It was funny, man. These dogs are really smart right here. So we came to this celebration of a school that they had, and we just ran into a classroom here. This is an Argentinian classroom. It's like an elementary classroom. Outside they're having the school celebration. Good morning. It's about 7 in the morning right now. Actually 7:20, and we have to go to the airport, catch the airplane to Buenos Aires. Gotta close it up here. We're about to leave Mendoza. It's been awesome here. We're about to go back to Buenos Aires. See you, Mendoza. Until next time.